Hi there, people. Hey, listen, this is Rod. I'm coming to you from the waterfront in Klawock, out on Prince of Wales Island. And anyway, if you look right above me, you see a structure that we put together a few years back. And anyway, if I move out of the way a little bit, you can see the underside of a bell. It's a huge 1,700-pound bell that was sitting up by City Hall. And when we saw it there, one of the things that we realized is that this might be something that we might be able to help the village do something with. We found out that at one point it was down here in the waterfront, and somebody found a set of pictures of it, and from that we were able to scale this structure. And so anyway, our crew went to work. We had some plans drawn and some engineering done, and then our construction boss, Alan Broadwell, you guys know Alan because he's a pretty amazing guy, and anyway, Alan put this thing together, and so here it is. And by the way, a few years back, Alan was the first guy to tug on that rope right there and to ring that bell, and it was just an honor to be able to give him that. And so I'm going to walk out here to where you can actually see what it looks like from the waterfront. Look at that. Check that out. Oh my gosh. I can't help looking at something like this and realizing what an honor that it's been for us to be a part of projects like this. Our friends in Klawock are amazing people, and the partnership has meant the world to us. And so anyway, hopefully you see that the investment that you've made, it builds a structure, but it's more than that. It's definitely a bridge to the past, because it's something that used to be down here in the harbor, and now it's that once again. And it's a restoration of heritage. And anyway, we have a chance to be able to be a part of something pretty amazing. So anyway, thank you for your giving. Thank you for believing in us, and thank you for praying for us. We just appreciate it so much, and hopefully you enjoyed the little tour of the bell tower today here in Klawock.